Hey guys, what's up? It's Aimee, and for this video, I'll be showing you how I did this makeup look. This is another fall makeup look that I did. It's kind of glam, but this time I tried focusing on the nude and the brown colors, and this is what I came up with. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So in this video, I decided to just play the steps that you already know in high speed. For this look's eye makeup, we'll start off with the shade S'more as our base shade. To define our crease, we'll be using this latte shade in the outer corners of our eyes to our inner corners through the crease. Using this brush, we'll then be adding the shade Cackle to add a little more depth to our eyes. We'll be focusing this on the outer corners and on the crease of our eyelids. Going back to this fluffy brush, we'll then be just blending everything out. With one side of this flat brush, we'll then be adding the shade Shimmer in the middle part of our eyelids to add a little golden sheen on this eye makeup. Using the other side of the same brush, we'll then be applying the shade Candle on the inner corners of our eyes. And then we'll blend all those some more because you know, blending is key. To intensify the shimmers of this eye makeup look, I'll be using the BeYu Metallic Eyes Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade number 8, which is their copper shade, in the inner corners of my eyes. And of course, don't forget to blend! With a flat angled brush like this one, we'll be using the shade Fireside to create a soft wing. Lastly, with the shade Sunrise, we'll highlight our brow bone. I'll just be doing what I did on this side to this side off cam, and I'll be back. For the base of our face, I'll be using this Laneige BB Cushion in the shade 21 Beige. To be honest, I hated this BB cushion the first time I used it because it oiled up on my face pretty fast. But then I liked the coverage and the finish, so I decided to give it a second shot on this video. And guess what? I really loved it. My stupid self forgot to blend the concealer around my nose, so let me just do that really quick. So in this part of the video, you'll see me go crazy on my cheek tint. And that's because on my last makeup tutorial video, hindi lumabas yung pigment ng blush. So this time, kinakapalan ko na para lang makita sa cam kung ano itsura nung look na may blush. I'll be setting my whole face with this Maybelline White SuperFresh Powder Foundation in the shade 03 Natural. I finished my left eye makeup off cam, so here I'll just be showing you what I did. I'll be looking crazy in 3, 2, 1, but I'll be tight lining with this black eyeliner pencil from Harvey Nichols. I think you use this brush to smudge your eyeshadow, but I'll be using this one to drag down the shade Fireside onto my lower lashes, cleaning it up, and then getting some of the shade Latte and dragging that down to my lower lashes as well, but this time on the middle part to finish up our eye makeup look. I'll be using this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick for my lips, and this is in the shade Lace Detail. And then I'll be topping that off with this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Clay Crush para lang hindi super nude nung lips natin. And that is it, you guys. That is how I did this makeup look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below any video requests, suggestions, or challenges that you'd want me to do, and I'd gladly do them. If you want to see more of me and more of my videos, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button beside it so that you won't miss out on any of my new videos. That is all, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!